Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Windows Edition and Build. Because the wrong package fails, once confirmed, download the matching MSU or CAB and verify its digital signature. Run Command Prompt as administrator to avoid permission errors, and stop the Windows Update and bit services to free installer locks. While stopping services, note running antivirus that may block file access. Once services are stopped, move the update file to C/temp and prepare the dism or wusa command you will run next. Now you perform the installation. For CAB files, use dism/online/add package with the exact path because dism handles package dependencies more reliably. For MSU, use wusa with /quiet and /norstart to control reboot timing. After the command runs, inspect C/Windows/logs/dism and CBS. Log to catch component store or prerequisite failures. If dism reports missing servicing stack updates, download and install those first, then repeat the add package step. Make sure to clear the software distribution cache if update files appear corrupted. Finish the process by rebooting to let pending changes apply. After restart, verify the update installed using WinVer or wmic QFE list so you confirm the build number change. If the update still fails, reset the component store with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, and then run sfc/scano to repair system files. These commands repair corruption that blocks installers. If errors remain, review CBS. Log for the exact error code. Targeted fixes follow from that code, so you know what to fix next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.